10 years ago, a person's age was 35 years less than twice his present age. Find the present age. Let's consider the present age to be x. So his age 10 years ago will be x minus 10, and twice the present age will be 2x. 35 years less than twice the present age will be 2x minus 35. This is equal to his age 10 years ago, which is x minus 10. So this is our equation. On bringing the like terms together, we have 2x minus x is equal to 35 minus 10, which gives us x is equal to 25. Now let's check if our answer is right. Since his present age is 25, 10 years ago the age would have been 15. Now twice the present age will be 50, and when you subtract 35 from it, we get 15 years. So our answer is correct. Next question. If a number is added to half, 1/3 and 1/4 of itself, the total sum is 25. Find the number. If we consider the number to be x, half of it is x by 2, 1/3 will be x by 3, and 1/4 will be x by 4. It's given that the sum of all these terms is 25. So this is our equation. Let's start by simplifying the left hand side. We'll find the LCM of the denominators, which is 12. And in the numerator, we have 12x plus 6x plus 4x plus 3x. This is equal to 25. 25x by 12 is equal to 25, and cancelling 25 on both the sides, we get x is equal to 12. To check the answer, let's find 12 plus half of 12, which is 6, plus 1/3 of 12, which is 4, and 1/4 of 12, which is 3. This gives us 25. So our answer is right. Next question. If 7 times of a number is added to 1/5 of itself, then 5/6 of the resulting number is equal to 30. Find the number. Now, if you consider the number to be x, then 7 times of the number will be 7x, and 1/5 of it will be x by 5. Now, these two are to be added. Then we take 5/6 of this entire number. So, we'll multiply the whole expression by 5 by 6. This will be equal to 30. We'll first simplify what's inside the brackets. We get 35x plus x divided by 5. Now we can cancel these two 5's. What results is 36x by 6 is equal to 30. 36 by 6 is 6. So we have 6x is equal to 30, and x is equal to 30 divided by 6, which is 5. Now let's check. 7 times this number is 35, and 1/5 is 1. 35 plus 1 is 36, and then we take 5/6 of 36, which gives us 30. So our answer is right. Next question. In a 2-digit number, the units digit is 3 more than the tens digit. The sum of the digits is 18 less than the original number. Find the number. Let's first consider the tens digit to be x, and since the unit digit is 3 more than the tens digit, the units digit will be x plus 3. Now listen carefully. Let's say we have the number 76. This can be written as 70 plus 6, which can also be written as 10 into 7 plus 6. So we can write any two-digit number as 10 into the tens digit plus the units digit. So in our case, the original number will be 10 into the tens digit, which is x, plus the units digit, which is x plus 3. Now let's come to the next statement. The sum of the digits is 18 less than the original number. Since the digits are x and x plus 3, the sum of the digits will be x plus x plus 3. This is equal to 18 less than the original number. Our original number is 10x plus x plus 3. So we'll subtract 18 from this. On simplifying this equation, we get 2x plus 3 is equal to 11x minus 15. Grouping the like terms together, we have 11x minus 2x is equal to 3 plus 15. So 9x is equal to 18 or x is equal to 2. This is not the final answer. We have just found only the tens digit. The units digit will be x plus 3, which is 5. So the original number will be 25. Next question. A person travelled 4/9 of a certain distance by bus, 1/3 by car, and the remaining 6 kilometers by scooter. Find the distance travelled by bus. Let's consider the total distance travelled as x. This entire distance is covered by 3 different means. 4/9 of x is covered by bus. 1/3 of x is covered by car. And 6 kilometers is covered by scooter. So when you add all these terms, you get the total distance x. So this is our equation. On the left hand side, let's find the common denominator, which is 9. And in the numerator, we have 4x plus 3x plus 54. This is equal to x. We'll add these two like terms and move the 9 to the other side. We have 7x plus 54 is equal to 9x. Now grouping the like terms together, we have 9x minus 7x is equal to 54. So 2x is equal to 54 and x is equal to 54 divided by 2, which is 27. This is the total distance, but we are asked to find the distance travelled by bus, which is 4/9 of 27, and that becomes 12 kilometers. Next question. In an isosceles triangle, the difference between one of the equal sides and the longer base is 3/10 of the sum of the equal sides. If the perimeter of the triangle is 90 centimeters, find the length of the base. Let's consider the equal side of the triangle to be x. The perimeter of the triangle is 90 centimeters. So the base of the triangle will be 90 minus 2x. Now we have to find the difference between the base and the equal side. An important keyword to note here is that the base is longer. So we'll be subtracting the equal side from the base. 90 minus 2x minus x. This is equal to 3/10 of the sum of the equal sides. The sum of equal sides is 2x. So here we have 3 by 10 into 2x. And this is our equation. Simplifying that, we get 90 minus 3x is equal to 3x by 5. Bringing this 5 to the left hand side, we have 5 into 90 minus 3x is equal to 3x. 450 minus 15x is equal to 3x. 18x is 450, so x is equal to 450 divided by 18, which is 25. Now this is the length of the equal side, but we are asked to find the length of the base, which is 90 minus 2x. So 90 minus 50 will be 40 centimeters. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.